Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Tomar from Founders Card and today I am here to explain how a company can file FC-GPR. So, if a company is receiving fund from foreign investor or foreign person and issues shares or debentures in respect of that money, in that case the company need to comply with the allotment of shares as per the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Company Law. But the company have to inform to the RBI if the company is receiving amount from a foreign investor. So, in that case, the company need to file form FCGPR. And FCGPR form is to be filed by the company itself within 30 days from the date of the allotment. So, let's start the process for the filing of form FCGPR. First of all, we have to know what is FCGPR. It is a form issued by RBI under Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 when the company received the foreign investment and against such investment the company allowed shares to such foreign investor. Then in that case, the company have to file the details of allotment of shares to RBI within 30 days from the date of the allotment. So, now due date of filing of the form, that is the company should file the form of FCGPR to RBI within 30 days from the date of issuance of the security. Before reporting the transaction, the applicant is required to obtain the following details while filing the form. First, that is unique identification number from RBI is required to reporting advance foreign remittance. KYC report of the beneficiary if the remitter and beneficiary are from different entities. Company secretary certificate. We have given the draft at the end of the sheet. Company secretary certificate from the SEBI registered chartered accountant. If your company is registered under SEBI, then your company need to take this certificate. Otherwise, there is no requirement to take this certificate if the company is a normal private limited company or normal public limited company. Statutory auditor certificate, copy of the certified board resolution, allotment, loan reference number, registration number, certified copy of the foreign investment promotion board FIPB that to be certified, and after that you have to take a no objection certificate from the remitter for the shares which is being allotted to the third party mentioning their relationship. So these are the documentation that you need to keep in your folder in PDF form before start filing the form FCGPR. Now, let's start the process for filing the form FCGPR. First of all, you have to register your company on form portal as a business user. If your company is going to file the form FCGPR for the first time, then you have to firstly register your company on form portal, and after that you have to proceed further. You have to click on the link, that is www.forms.rbi.org.in. After clicking on the link, you have to check here on the screen and you have to click here on new registered user. When you click here on new registered user, this screen will come in front of you. Here you need to fill the basic details of your company: name, father's name, mobile number, authorized signatory person name, etc., bank and IFSC code of your company. Now, for registering yourself as a business user, you have to prepare a authorization letter, the person to whom you are authorizing for your company to give the OTP for registration. So you have to prepare the authorization letter according to this format, and this format is fixed by the RBI and there is no requirement to change. You can just fill the information of the authorized person, get it signed by the directors and authorized signatory of the company and submit it on the form portal. So now your business user is registered, you have your login ID and password. If you want to change your login ID and password, you can just firstly give your detail, and there is an option come in front of your screen whether you want to change your password or no. You have to click here on yes, and after that you will get your own password. Now click on the left navigation button and select single master form. You have to click here and select single master form. Here you have to select the form FCGPR. When you select the form FCGPR, you have to fill here the detail of the company: SIN number, company name, PAN number, application date, on route, whatever route you have received, and applicable secretarial cap. After that, you have to fill here whether the foreign investment received is for a specific project or manufacturing unit. You have to give the detail according to your company. After that, fill up the common investment detail below as given. Here you have to fill the detail of issuance detail: how many numbers of shares issued by the company, what is the face value of the shares, nature of the issuance of share, whether it is a right issue, bonus issue, merger or demerger, preference allotment, whatever it is, you can just select according to your company preference. Now, initial FCGPR reference, if your company has already filed some FCGPR earlier, you have to give your detail here, and then you have to give here the detail of foreign investors detail to whom you are issuing the security of your company. You have to give that person or that company detail here. After filling all number of the investor, all the details, now you have to give a name of the foreign investor. Ensure that the name is the same as in FIRC or KYC. You have to check the name on FIRC, and after that you have to fill the name. Address of the that person. Address should be correct. Town, city, complete address need to be given here. And after that, particulars of issue of allotment of security. Whatever securities you have issued, you have to give complete detail of the security. Whatever you are issuing to that person in respect of the fund that he has given to your company. Now, mode of payment. What will be the mode of payment? Name of the AD bank through whom remittance has been received. Enter the name of the AD bank. Details, address, complete address of the AD bank, and then fill the information accordingly. After that, amount of issue. Whatever amount you have received in reference to the securities, you have to mention the details here. Total amount of inflow, auto-populated from tab 2 for all the foreign investor. Total amount of for which capital instrument have been issued, and then particular of issues you have given here the particulars of issue, consolidate particular, fair value of the shares, declaration. Now, shareholding pattern, you have to give in here the shareholding pattern of your company. Shareholding pattern means value of the equity shares and other than foreign portfolio investment and indirect foreign investment. Whatever the ownership of your company, like one person is having 50% and second person is having 50% shares. After this allotment, your company's shareholding will be changed, like one person who is in foreign, who belongs to foreign country and who is a non-resident is having 70% and the other person having the percentage is 30%. So you have to give here pre-transaction and post-transaction details, and after that you have to attach the documentation, that is format of declaration. Declaration to be filled by the authorized representative of an Indian company. So you have to fill the declaration according to this format, and you cannot modify anything in this format. You have to just fill the name in block letter, designation, place and date, and you have to get it signed by the managing director or the company secretary of your company. And if your company is not having company secretary, then it should be signed by the director of your company. After that, you have to take the format of the certificate of company secretary, that to be taken by the practicing company secretary. Whatever practicing company secretary your company is associated with, you have to get it signed from that person. And after that, these are the documents that need to be attached in the form FCGPR. First, declaration as draft given above. Second, CSL certificate draft is given above. Third is valuation certificate. Valuation certificate you can take from the chartered accountant. Board resolution, certified true copy of the allotment of the shares of your company. Memorandum of association of your company. In case of merger or demerger, relevant extract to be attached to the specified attachment. For right and bonus issue shares, acknowledgement letter of FCGPR, FCTR as applicable of the original investment, and you have to attach a certificate and the declaration that the company is not issuing bonus issue, and then you have to attach the proper signed and notarized FIRC and KYC. So this is the complete process to file the form FCGPR, and after filing the form FCGPR, you have to just wait. Your application will be submitted to the RBI, and RBI will respond you within 5 to 10 working days. It will take 15 days also, but it totally depend on case to case. So after filing all the forms, you will get a certificate and get a reference number from the RBI that your FCGPR is approved. So this is the complete process. If you have any query, anything in your mind regarding FCGPR, you can just coordinate our website, that is www.founderscard.in. Thank you so much.